Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add an email sign-up form to your Facebook page. Email marketing is an essential tool for businesses to connect with their customers, and integrating an email sign-up form into your Facebook page can help you grow your subscriber list and expand your reach. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for an email marketing service. The first step is to sign up for an email marketing service that allows you to create and manage email lists. Some popular options include Mailchimp, Constant Contact, and Aweber. Once you have signed up, you will be able to create an email list and a sign-up form. Step 2. Create an email sign-up form. Now that you have signed up for an email marketing service, it's time to create an email sign-up form. Go to your email marketing services dashboard and find the option to create a sign-up form. Most email marketing services will provide you with a variety of templates to choose from, or you can create your own custom form. Make sure to include fields for the subscriber's name and email address, and any other information you want to collect. Step 3. Copy the form code. Once you have created your email sign-up form, you will need to copy the code for the form. Go to the Email Marketing Services dashboard and find the option to copy the form code. This code is what you will need to add the email sign-up form to your Facebook page. Step 4. Install a Facebook app. To add the email sign-up form to your Facebook page, you will need to install a Facebook app that allows you to add custom HTML to your page. Some popular options include static HTML, iframe tabs, TabPress, and Woobox. Once you have installed the app, you will need to authorize it to access your Facebook page. Step 5. Add the form code to the app. Now that you have installed the Facebook app, it's time to add the form code to your page. Go to the app's dashboard and find the option to add custom HTML. Paste the form code into the HTML box and save your changes. Your email sign-up form should now be visible on your Facebook page. Step 6. Test the form. Finally, it's time to test the form to make sure everything is working correctly. Go to your Facebook page and look for the email sign-up form. Enter your email address and submit the form. You should receive a confirmation email from your email marketing service. If you do, congratulations! You have successfully added an email sign-up form to your Facebook page. So there you have it, a simple tutorial on how to add an email sign-up form to your Facebook page. Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses, and integrating an email sign-up form into your Facebook page can help you grow your subscriber list and connect with your audience. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.